Hi guys, you are welcome to this lesson. My name is Frank Ampreku, the founder of ExpoGH IT Services. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to upload videos onto our YouTube channel. So to do that, we need YouTube app and then YouTube Studio. So please kindly download them from Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, so to upload video onto your channel, first of all, click on the YouTube app. Click on it. Make sure you have already signed up into your YouTube channel. So you see, when you sign up, you see your profile picture here. So make sure you already sign up. Okay, so when you log in, please click on the plus sign here. Click here, click on the plus sign. Okay, so the moment you click on it, you see here we have video, we have shorts, we have live, and then we have post here. Okay, so now video, when your video is more than 30 seconds, then you can select this one. Even when you select video and the video is less than 30 seconds, it will automatically convert it into shorts. So shorts are videos that are less than 30 seconds. So 30 seconds or less, it is shorts. And when it is more than that, then it is video. So please take note of that. Then live is when you want to do a live section. Okay, so now you look through and then pick the video that you want to upload. Okay, so let me pick this. Okay, all right. So okay, so you can see this edit in short. The moment you click here, it will take only 30 seconds or less. Yes, so click on next. Okay, so here it will take you to this place. We have create video title, whiteboard animation video. Okay, so then we come to description. Here you describe your video, then you click on back. So take your time and describe your video. Then we come to visibility. Please click on it. Click on the arrow. Now with the visibility, we have three things here. We have public. When you select this one, it means that your video will be seen by everybody. Then we have this set as instant premiere. When you want to go live, then you select this one as well. It means that you are going public, but you want to do a live session. Then you click on instant premiere. Then we have this one, unlisted. When you click this one, only people with your link will see the video. Okay, then we have private. With private, only people you have selected. For instance, if you are the admin and you have also set someone as an admin, only the two of you will see the video. Okay, but please, it is advisable that you select private for the first time. Okay, because the moment you select public, your video will go public for everybody to see. But when you select private, after you have published it, you can go back and see if there are corrections to be made. Then you do it before you change it. So always, when you are posting for the first time, select private. When you are done, go through. When everything is okay, then you change it to public. Okay, then we have schedule. This one too, if you want to set a particular time, a particular date that your videos should go online, then you can set the schedule as well. Okay, so let's click on back, then come to allow video and audio remixing. Now when you click here, we have three things here. When you select this one, it means that people can edit your video. Okay, people can just edit it and then use it or repost it. Then allow only audio, it means that people can edit only the audio. Don't allow remixing, it means that it is not advisable or it's not allowed for people to do that. So you select this one depending on your choice. Okay, so I will select this one, don't allow remixing. So let's go back. Then comments. With the comments on means that you will accept comments. And then we have this one, comment moderation. We have none means that it will hold all comments. Basic means that it will only hold inappropriate, means that when somebody gives inappropriate comments, it will not make it public. Then strict, it will hold broader range of potentially inappropriate comments. Then this one will hold all comments. So let's go for this one, basic. Okay, go for the basic one. Then click on back. All right, so let's go to next. Then we come here, audience. So here, please, this one, you should be very careful. If your video is not for kids, please don't select that. Is it for kids or it's not made for kids? Do you have any age restrictions? Okay, so it is not for kids. But if you create a video for kids, then you select that one. Do you have any age restrictions? Then you select that. But this one is having no age restrictions. Okay, so when you are done, then you click on this, upload video. Upload video. So you see here we have see video there. Okay, so the video is uploading. So here the duration will depend on the length of the video. So it's uploading, and you can see it from here. You can see it from here. So uploaded to your videos. So you can click on see video. Can click on see video. Now all the videos you have uploaded will be seen here. Okay, they will all be seen here. We can edit the video here. When you click on the three lines here, you can see edit. We can edit the video here, but if you want to get more advanced editing, then you should go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so I will not edit it here. Let's go to YouTube Studio so that we will get more features for editing. With the YouTube Studio, you can use the app or you can do it online. So let me show you how you can do it online. So if you want to do it online, you come here, just go to your address bar and type studio.youtube.com. Then you click on the link, and these are all tools that you can use for editing. We are not using the website, so let's go back to the app. You click on the app, YouTube Studio app. Make sure you have already signed up. You will see your total subscribers here, views, watch hours, etc. Okay, you see everything here. Let's go to content. You click on content, and that is where you can edit your video. You click on the video, okay, then you click on the pencil. Okay, there's a pencil here. Click on the pencil. All right, So when you come here, you can see all the editings you've done. So you can go through. If there is anything you need to do, you can do that. So you can see everything here. So if you still want to make changes, you can do that. Please click on the pencil here. Then we have this download thumbnail. Then we have custom thumbnail. Now thumbnails are the pictures that shows first. They are the pictures that attract you to watch the YouTube videos. Okay, so every YouTube video has a thumbnail. They are the various pictures that will attract you. So you can create your own thumbnail. If you don't know how to create it, you can pick some from the video to be your thumbnail. You can download thumbnail from here, or you can use a custom thumbnail. When you click on it, and before you can use that, you need to verify your account. Okay, before you can use custom one, you need to verify your account. So you click on verify. Then it will send you a message to your phone number. So you enter your phone number here. So do you want to receive text or call? Let's make it text. Then you click on next. With this one, sometimes when your network is not good, or when there's a network challenge, it will not come, but still you can verify it. Okay, so you click on next. So you see mine is already verified. So it is taking me to my gallery. Please know that YouTube thumbnail, if you want to create it, it should be 1280 by 720 pixels. Yeah, so that's the dimension. If you want to, if you're a graphic designer and you can create it, you can do that. So I have created a thumbnail I created for one of my videos. Okay, so let me choose this. So just click on it. Okay, just click and hold and then select. Okay. You can also select any of these. Okay, you can select any of these. You click on done. Now when you are using a laptop, it will also give you AI generated thumbnail. Yeah, so that is what you saw there. So when you're using laptop, you see that there. It means that you can generate some from the video. Okay, so any of them works. Let's click on save. Then you click on save again. Okay, so let's go back. So the video is online. That is it. Let's come to analytics. So this one shows the number of views. You see it has 1 view. Okay, it has 1 view. Let's go to comments. So this one to show you the comment. Okay, so when you click on this, you will see the comment. Let's go down. I want to show you something. So this is the response type. So you see we have subscriber count. You can select all these. Okay, but let's leave this one there. Let's go back. And this one will show you all your earnings. When you start earning, this will show you all your earnings. So you click there. Okay, so let's scroll down and I'll show you something. Okay, so this one, before you can start earning from YouTube, you should get 1,000 subscribers. Okay, 1,000 subscribers. Then 4,000 watch hours within 365 days. Okay, Then we also have this one, publish short views. If it is shorts, okay, then you should also get 10 million views within 90 days. Okay, so these are the conditions that you should meet before you can start earning from YouTube. All right. I've come to our channel. Okay, when you come to your channel, okay, you can click on your videos. Okay, you can click on this, your profile picture. When you click on it, you see the videos. Okay, this one is your video, so you click on it, you click on the video, then you click on share. When you click on share, you will get your link, okay, the link to the video. I'll end here and we will continue in the next tutorial. Once again, my name is Frank Ambreku, the founder of Expo GH IT Services. See you in our next tutorial.